Today we talk about how can you sign out of your account on your Temu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on your down here. When you just click here on you, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go above settings here, you click on it. So then when you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on here, you click here on sign out here. So that here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your Temu app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.